Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to learn how to share character AI's link in. So let's get into the video. Open your character AI app. Make sure you're logged into the account. Then simply open the chat you want to share the link of the character. Then over here you can see the character's name at the center. Tap on it. This will go to. Then over here you can see the option of share character. Tap on it. Here you can see the option of chat with Colin Hoover link, and here you can see the option of copy. Tap on copy. Like this, your link has been copied. Now you can share it with any of your friends through your social media by pasting it. You can even paste like this, paste and send. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such content.